All right, how you doing today? Today we'll be taking a look at Empire Breaks from Native Instruments to Kontakt instruments from their Play series, classic hip-hop beats. Dig deep into the golden era of boom, bap, drums, punchy kicks, solid snares, and crispy hats. So this has 480 groove patterns that you can be edited in your DAW, mini drag and drop. You can play it on your keyboard as well. You get the loops and the actual samples as a drum kit. Let's check out some sound demos here. And the new Kontakt 7, you can actually preview the sounds before you load a sound. So we'll check some of these out first, then we'll go into the plugin and go into further detail. So we'll just load it up real quick here, and then here's the layout. So we got the main page here. As you can see, there's different key commands for different things. We have the patterns here. Well, this is actually the where you can play it. So we have our keyboard down here, and we can play that on our keyboard. As such, and then we have the pattern browser, which we have all these different patterns here, 16 that we could drag and drop into our DAW as well. Just really easy here, drag like that. You can play from your keyboard as well. And then we also do, let's see here, let's get a latch mode. So pretty cool. You can just trigger those from your keyboard. You can add in extra hits and such. It is tempo synced to my DAW. They have recommended BPMs here, but you could do it at any tempo if you wish. And then we have double time, we have half time, and some other features and stuff. And then every kit preset basically has its own patterns as well. So it's not just those patterns. Let's scroll down here, check out a different kit preset. Let's get more tempo accurate as well, just for fun. So we also have all these really cool effects down here that you could go to your effects page, and you could do all kind of crazy stuff. This is just the presets. Then we have the macros where you could assign different keys, multiple keys, or multiple effects to one key and stuff. But we're just gonna let's take a look at the default they have set right now. We got all kind of different effects in here: low cut, age, lo-fi, all that kind of crazy stuff. And then we have the macros down here, which if I play a beat, so very cool. And also we have this kit selected here, and we can change the patterns that are playing. So we actually could, there's like a preset pattern thing here, and there's a kit pattern here. Now when you change the kit patterns, it's going to change these as well. But if say you like the sound of a kit, for example, this one here, and you want to change the pattern, we could do that up here and keep that same kit going. Let's check that out. And of course, we have the kit page here as well, where we could do further editing and tweaking of stuff. Got our sounds here. Maybe you want to change that out. You can go in here and make it a different sound if you wish. Change it to a snare, whatever. A lot of editing you can do within here. We got the stems, dry, reverb, mix, and stuff like that. Inserts, saturation, lo-fi. So it's pretty, very easy to use, but there's some deep dive features in it as well that you can go in here and tweak extra. Oh, and we also have this noise feature down here. Let me play a loop real quick. So you can blend in noise as well here, which is pretty cool. Give you some extra flavor to your beat. All right, so pretty cool. This is you can buy this on its own. You could also buy it as part of the complete series if you can buy one of the complete packages. And they also have a monthly subscription service where you can get different plugins for a monthly fee. If you want to check that out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Check out my other videos. I have a bunch of native instrument videos. I have a bunch of drum pack sample libraries and stuff like that. A bunch of VST stuff on my channel. A lot of really cool stuff going on. Check it out. I'll talk to you soon.